What happens to your body when you eat barley every day? Eating barley every day can have a range of effects on your body, both positive and potentially some considerations to keep in mind. Here's an overview. The pros. 1. Rich in fiber. Barley is a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. It can promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and contribute to a healthy gut. 2. Heart health. Barley contains soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucans, that can help lower cholesterol levels. This, in turn, supports heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 3. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber content in barley can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their blood sugar. 4. Weight management. The fiber and protein content in barley can create a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management by reducing overeating and promoting a sense of satisfaction. 5. Nutrient richness. Barley is a source of various vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and selenium, contributing to overall well-being and bodily functions. 6. Gut health. Barley contains prebiotic fibers that can nourish beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a healthy gut microbiome and potentially enhancing overall immune function. Considerations. 1. Gluten sensitivity. Barley contains gluten, which can be problematic for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. It's essential to avoid barley if you have these conditions or opt for gluten-free alternatives. 2. Phytic acid. Like many grains, barley contains phytic acid, which can inhibit the absorption of certain minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium. Soaking, sprouting, or fermenting barley can help reduce phytic acid content. 3. Caloric content. Barley is relatively calorie-dense, so be mindful of portion sizes if you're aiming to manage your calorie intake. 4. Digestive sensitivity. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, gas, or bloating when consuming large amounts of barley. Gradually incorporating it into your diet can help mitigate these effects. Variety is key. As with any dietary change, balance and variety are crucial. While incorporating barley into your daily diet can offer many health benefits, it's important to consume a diverse range of nutrient-rich foods to ensure you're meeting all your nutritional needs. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have specific health conditions or concerns. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.